Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to make an organizational mini desk on wheels that's going to pretty much hopefully declutter a specific corner in the music room. Let me show you the corner. All right, as you can see, there's a lot going on in this corner over here that I'm hoping to organize it somewhat a bit. The biggest thing, of course, is the paper shredder that's just pretty much sitting there. I have my little rolling cabinet here that I made years ago that pretty much encases this plastic bin from Walmart. It's got my printer that sits up on top, my gaming console, some other little accessories like extra ink for the printer, oil for the paper shredder, some ink for my fountain pens. And then over here I have an old desktop PC that I still use whenever I use my camcorder that still uses high 8 tapes. And believe it or not, it's really good quality camera. But I still use this to transfer over that footage because it doesn't use any kind of memory cards or anything. It uses high 8 tapes. So I have to transfer that video capture footage into the desktop using Firewire cable. So that's what I use this one for. So I'm hoping this will all get kind of organized and put away nice and neat in the cabinet that I'm going to make. Oh, and I can't forget trash can that's always sitting in the corner over here too. So I'm hoping it'll be a little bit more organized in this corner. So let's get to the build. Okay, so here it is, finalized and completed. Very big difference. I really Really like the way it cleaned up the corner here. Like I said, it pretty much houses everything that I had over here kind of stashed. There's the desktop that I had, the keyboards in here, my extra laptops in there, DVDs, CDs, gaming console, my printer, the paper shredder is in here, and it's hooked up. I mean, it works. The only, I would say the only bad thing is the bottom part here. To empty it out, it gets caught. Whenever I open this to empty it out, it gets caught on this lip right here, which could easily be remedied by either putting blocks or 2 pieces of plywood underneath to lift it up more, and then it'll clear that lip right there. Otherwise, it's not really a big deal. All I have to do really is tilt it that way, and then I'll be able to pull out the bin to empty it out and then put it back, and that's pretty much it. Everything closes up, everything's smooth, the trash cans here, everything, like I said, is pretty much decluttered. All the connections are in the back behind it, so I don't have any cables running all over the place. My gaming console, printer, a little room for my controller, the little Wi-Fi adapter over here, or not the Wi-Fi, but the Ethernet splitter to connect my PlayStation 4 and my computer. Again, if you really liked it, I would really love if you guys can give me a thumbs up, comment, good job, you know, or if you didn't like it, you know, feel free. It's your opinion, obviously. If you didn't like something about it, then let me know, you know. So thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it.